Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to another, well, sort of bullet journal video. Today I am going to do an unboxing of this box that has been through hell and back, as you can see. If I'm not mistaken, this is an order I did with Notebook Therapy a little while ago, back in February. And this isn't sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I didn't have to pay full price because I got this during the early launch, and I had a gift certificate that I got from my brother and my sister-in-law for Christmas. So I got this pretty cheap. Yeah, let's just unbox this thing. And as you can see, it has been through a lot getting here. Let's see. I hope the things on the inside are just fine, but yeah, I don't think I'll be able to repurpose this box. That already looks very promising. Ooh, I'm so excited for this collection. When I saw this launch, I knew I had to have this. It's so pretty. And I am really curious to see if it is in fact as pretty in person as it is on camera. So yay! I do have a few other Notebook Therapy journals and washi tape, so I am familiar with the brand, but isn't that nice? But yeah, this vintage rose collection is so stunning. Yeah, let's just start with the notebook. Oh wait, plastic. So let's just put this out of the way and ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love the little rose. Oh gosh. That. I love that these are this old sort of pink. If I'm not mistaken, there should be a little surprise in here. Yes, there it is. So freaking pretty. Oh, I'm in love. Yes. Love, 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 love. I never can get those things back in right, but that's okay. Moving on, we've got this cute little stamp set. I do like to use stamp. I don't use them as often as I probably should, considering the amount of stamps I have, but you know, maybe that'll change. So let's I'm gonna pull you down a little bit so we can zoom in a little bit more. Yay! Well, not really zoom in, but pull you down. So, look at that gold detail. I gotta say, Notebook Therapy really delivers on the packaging of the items themselves. I mean, this is just too cute. And these are the stamps that are in there. Getting adorable. Okay. Now, for the washies, I love washi tape. I have entirely too much washi tape, but yeah, I could not resist this. So I'm gonna go away plastic, bad plastic. So there's even some pink on there, gold. Oh, it's so pretty. Belongs to me now. Oh, I love that they have these little sticker sheets that come with them. These little washi sticker sheets are so freaking adorable. Let's just put this down there. Yay! And then here we have those. And this is the washi tapes. These, I believe, are loose little stickers. This is so freaking cute. Let's just take them out one by one. So this is a stamp pattern washi tape with all the vintage rose designs. Very, very cute. You can tell how cute this is. Yay! Oh, I can never figure out how to do that. Anyway, next up is this one. This is a whiter with all these little labels and postcards. Very cute. Let's see if we can. Blasphemy. Here we go. That's so freaking cute. This set is so stunning. Now the weird voice to do. Here is the other. This is so cute. Come on. Oops. Freaking adorbs. And next up, also there's a border one. Oh, I can't wait to use these. And then this one. Again. Oh my god. That is stunning. Look at the gold details. Oh, yeah. Very pretty. Next up. Ooh, look at that shimmer. That's great. Yay! I'm so excited for this set. Oh, lordy. Yay! Love it. And last but not least, I believe these are just, yeah, they are tiny little stickers on a roll. They have all the focus. Well, let's say a different word. Let's put them all back in their little box. I'll probably never be able to fit them in there as they were, but am I missing one? Nope. That doesn't seem right. Whatever. So that's the entire collection. And that's the entire collection. So pretty. I cannot wait to use all these items. They're just so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know. I hope you like this sort of video. I don't know how often I'll be able to use this because life is expensive. But I really wanted to share this with you. And yeah, I'm sure you'll see these in the future. Thank you. Bye.